Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Jasmine's red outfit from Aladdin, of course. So I'm going to remove everything except for the accessory adjustments as per usual. What did I just remove? Hopefully nothing. For the hair, I used this hair in bangs only in black. And then for this one, I also did only bangs in black. Scale it to 0.61. Select this hair and then color it black. Then select this hair and color it black. Position the Y at 0.74, the Z 0.77, and then scale it to 0.34. Then you're going to select this hair and color it black. Position the Y at 0.49, Z 0.73, and scale it to 0.23. For the hair tie, I used this headband in this color. Well, I guess it's this color now, FF9954. Position the Y at 0.75, Z 0.72, rotate the X at 0.22, and scale it to 0. For the outfit, I am going to use this, but you can use any kind of bralette you have. And only top, turn off choker, and then color it this red, 7A0D10. Select these pants and color it this color, 6COCOE, 0E, sorry. In matte, and this 6C0C0E. Then I'm just going to get these shoes and I'm going to color it this orange color in metallic for both. And then I'm going to get this in this blue color, 818ECC. And then for the bracelet, I'm going to use the snake one from the Chinese Lunar New Year event. Select the high one and color it this color again. And then you're going to get these earrings from the Valentine's collection in that same color. And that is it. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.